What's up, man? It's your boy Kitty Fries. If you're new to this channel, man, I'm a professional athlete, entrepreneur, gamer, and I give y'all the real honest truth. I just got this Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for your smartphone. Let's see what it's talking about, man. I had just been thinking about investing into a camera for the longest, but I realized I got two phones. Don't ask me why I got two phones, but I got two phones, and I'm like, man, this camera kind of hard, it's got 4K, 60 FPS. So I was like, there's got to be something that I can do, an attachment or anything to just enhance this camera. So I was searching around and I found this Xenvo Pro on Amazon for less than $50, like on Cyber Monday. It's supposed to come with a travel case, multitude of other things. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it's talking about and see if it's really worth what it's priced at. Yeah, so after unboxing this little Xenvo Pro carrying case, which is pretty cool, by the way, it seems pretty strong and durable. It comes inside the case, comes with a Xenvo cloth to actually wipe your lens, as well as the clip that you're gonna use to clip onto your phone. And then it's got the wide angle lens right here, as you can see. But on the back side, screwed attached to it, is the macro lens, which is for more of a up close and personal shot, you feel me? So it seems like it's pretty cool. And then it come with a lanyard, wrap that around your neck, wrist, whatever it is, whatever you please. But one more little thing that it actually comes with that I thought was pretty cool is it actually comes with a LED light. So boom, that's how you actually attach it. You gotta move that. You can see this is the wide angle lens. Move this, tighten that back up. Boom, tight there. You're actually going to, like this, pretty tight. Now I just gotta clip it onto the phone. I just attached the super wide angle. I'm about to put it on this phone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it right now as we live on camera. Boom. Excuse my house. I know my house is dirty. Like, don't worry about all that in the background right now, but it actually works. It'll give you the wide angle. You can see it's pretty clear. Seems legit so far. And once again, put it off, bam, right there in your face. You know what I'm saying? Looking straight in your eyes like this. And then, boom, there it is again. It's kind of hard to find that little camera view, wide angle view, so that's pretty cool. So now I'm about to unscrew the wide angle lens, which is what y'all just saw from here, and show y'all the viewpoint of the macro lens. One thing I realized is that you can't zoom in with this lens, so you actually have to be within a close radius of the actual, whatever item or snapshot picture you're trying to get, because not gonna lie, this camera right here, this lens zooms in pretty hardcore, and as you can see, it's real clear. Farther away that you get, the more and more blurry that it gets. So definitely have to be close, super close. I guess this be cool, like, if you're at the park and you're a nature person and you're trying to find that little ant walking on the sidewalk, like this definitely the lens to use for that. Yeah, so overall, in my opinion, if you new to vlogging YouTube like myself and you don't want to go out there and buy a $600 to $1,000, $2,000 camera, because you're just getting started, man, and you really just learning as you go through the process. This Xenvo Pro lens kit that I got off Amazon for less than $50, and I'll put the link in the description as well, so you can go check that out. It's definitely something, in my opinion, that I feel like you should have. Once again, man, it's your boy Kitty Fries. Be sure to like and subscribe, support the channel, and man, I got much more content coming from y'all, man, and it's the real honest truth. Peace and love.